Let's talk about these Fixa brackets for an IKEA kitchen. Hey everyone, it's Cody with Up to Code. More IKEA videos coming at you. Now this one's just really quick. These Fixa brackets, they're designed to be used on an IKEA kitchen for quartz or granite or any hard surface countertop, but I actually use them even if you want to have an arborite countertop. I use them all the time. They're a nice spacer and I'll show you why. So as you can see, this rail here sits on top of the cabinet, so it sits proud, and same with the one right here. Everything sits proud. So if you sit a hard surface countertop, or any countertop in my mind, it's going to have a void and it's either going to sag or it could potentially crack or break. So these Fixa brackets just go in place. I almost forgot, when you're spacing for your countertops, I don't know which package these come in, but for your corner cabinets, you'll see these little spacers, and it's just there to space the back corners so that everything's at the same height as all the other brackets that sit on top. So don't forget about that. Now there's various screws that come in the package, but typically I like to use this, I just call it the fat one, because it goes in these pre-drilled holes. So you can just slide it there, bingo, and it just sets it. It's just basically there so it doesn't fall off until your countertops are placed. So you can space these forward or back or doesn't matter which configuration. Now, if I'm doing arborite, then I just flip them the other way. I leave them that little bit proud so that it's flush with the front and the back, and I screw it. And then later, when my countertop's on, I can screw from the underside into my wood top and pull it down tight. I guess butcher block would work as well. Now the other place you can use these, well, I totally botched this. I used L brackets on the inside of this custom island panel. So I have a video on how we did this island all together, but I don't know why I just didn't use these Fixa brackets instead of these L brackets, because those are ugly and these Fixas look real nice. So anyway, another use for these is you could use them up against some drywall. So if you had your countertop needed to rest on something, you can use them there. Or if you wanted a little extra support around this dishwasher. This panel's planed through with the top of these brackets, so you have to keep that in mind. But if you want a little extra support, you could screw them in here. Now, I usually carry my own screw kit around because these screws are just a little too close to poking through the surface. So make sure you either have some washers, put a washer in there so you don't blister the other side of your panel, or just get some different size screws. But anyway, that's the Fixa bracket. Oh yeah, and if you notice the sweet shirt, you can get the merch from down below. So just click the links there. If you like the video, leave us a comment. If you have questions, leave us a comment, like and subscribe. See you later. You know what? I always miss May the 4th be with you. Every year